Amiduaka, lovely skill to go past Encho. Here is Peter Amiduaka, great show of desire. A chance for the equalizer. And Kotoko have a penalty. Asante Kotoko have an opportunity to equalize. Baba goes down in the box. Good movement from Amiduaka. The pace was electrifying, and Encho couldn't catch him. Was trying to put one through for Baba, but he put him from behind. This is a better angle. There you go. Look at the arm. Yes, that's it. Mukwala steps forward. And Mukwala makes it 1-1 here. Adinana Ajiman Bedu Parkin Domahin Crow. Kotoko are back on level pegging. It's Aduana 1, Kotoko 1. Steve Desi Mukwala, the Ugandan, equalizing for Asante Kotoko.